This is a 2014 Dodge Charger. It features a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, keyless ignition, voice activation technology, a speed-sensitive volume control system, a low tire pressure indicator, the Uconnect infotainment system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a sports-tuned suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 3,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.